Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a sprite's appearance using different blocks. So first thing you want to do is figure out what kind of event you're going to use to reset it. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it. One will be with the green flag. One will be when we press spacebar. And then we're also going to create a message that we're going to just call reset. We want it to do this message whenever we click a button, do the green flag, or press spacebar. So first thing we need to do is we need to figure out what exactly we need to reset. So right now we have a button called Stuff, and when we click on it, it just broadcasts a message that goes to our Scratch Cat, and it does all this interesting stuff. So let me click and see what it does. Cool, let me click one more time. All right, so we need to figure out what we're going to reset. So if we go through each one of these blocks, we can figure out what we need to make normal again. So in this instance, we've got a change effect block. So to reset that, we want to use clear graphic effects. So let me double click this so you see what it does. Okay, so that will reset the world. So we want to use this when we do our reset. We also have something that's making Scratch Cat turn a random amount. So we want to make sure that Scratch Cat is pointing in the correct direction. The starting direction was 90 degrees. We also have a move, so we know that Scratch Cat is going to move around somewhere on the screen and bounce on the edge. But I want Scratch Cat to start in the middle. So I can say, hey, start at 0, 0, whoops, and put Scratch Cat in the middle. So that way, even if Scratch Cat's way up here, it'll reset back to the start. And our last one is changing the size of Scratch Cat. So we want to reset our size back to 100% instead of 529.7%. So double click. Okay, so this is exactly what I want Scratch Cat to do when we reset. So if we run Stuff again, cool, and when we reset, it should make Scratch Cat back to normal. So to make it run this, we want to use a broadcast message block. So we go up to our events, and we're going to broadcast the message to reset when we click the green flag, so that way it automatically starts in the correct position. It'll run all this stuff. We also want to make it so that we can reset this by pressing spacebar. So if we click on Stuff and then press spacebar, it resets just like that. And we also want to make it so when we click on Reset, this button, that it will broadcast it as well. So now we'll have a functioning button. So we go to Stuff, click Reset, and it resets. If we go to Stuff and click the green flag, it'll also reset. So the steps were to figure out what kind of event you want to use to reset your sprite. You need to then look at your code to figure out which kind of blocks you need to use to reset your sprite. And then you can use messages and things like that to actually trigger your algorithms. So go ahead and try that if you want to reset any of your sprites in your project.